Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to take a very quick recap of chapter 3 of computer, that is Microsoft with MS Office 2007. It's brief overview of the chapter. Okay, so that is we have Microsoft Office 2007. So first let's understand something about this and then we are starting with the points. Microsoft Access is the most popular, that is very famous, we also uses it, and powerful RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System, that serve as an integral part of Microsoft Office, that is suite of applications. It is used to organize and manipulate data. It organizes and manipulate the data. It organizes data in the form of the tables, and the data which it organizes, that is in the form of the tables. It provides the facility to create relationships between these tables by using the common fields. Also, the tables which it organizes in the database, it samely provides the facility to create the same relationship between these tables by using the sum of the common fields. So now let's take its quick recap, some of the major points of this chapter. A database is an organized way of storing information quickly and efficiently. Databases are categorized as flat file database and relational database. DBMS stands for Database Management System, that is DBMS, Database Management System. It is an application software which is used to create, modify and extract data from a database. It manages and organizes the records in the form of tables. Microsoft Access is the most powerful and popular, that is we learn now, most powerful and popular RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System, which is used to organize and manipulate data. A table is a database object which is used to store information in an organized manner. A field is a named unit of information. It stores one type of information about all the objects or all the items. A data type determines the type of the values that can be stored under it or in it. A data type determines the type of values that can be stored under it or in it. A field property is an attribute that defines the field's appearance or behavior within a database. You can work on a table in two views, that is design view and datasheet view. In design view of the table, you can enter the field names, the data types and description. Okay, so you can work on a table by two ways, two views, that is design view and datasheet view. And in design view, what you have, this is of the table where you can enter the field names, their data types and description, whereas datasheet view is used to enter the data in a table. In a table, it is used to enter the data. A primary key is a sort of check on the table that uniquely identifies each record in a table. It does not contain any of the duplicate data. Primary key, a very safe keys. Sorting can be done within a table with the respect to a particular field, either in ascending or descending order. That can be sorted, that's according to your wish, that you can sort it accordingly to ascending order or descending order. That's completely depends upon you. Okay, so this was some of the major points of this chapter. I hope they will help you a lot. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.